Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to deactivate Instagram account. First of all, let's open our Instagram app. Now we have to go to settings. To do it, you can simply tap on these three lines at the top right corner. Now we have to tap on settings. So tap on here to go to account settings. Then scroll down and tap on deactivate account. Then tap on here deactivate account. Here you can choose a reason why are you deactivating this account. And here you can enter the password of your Instagram account. Then tap on here. Then you can simply deactivate your Instagram account. Hope this video was helpful for you guys. See you in the next video.